Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you change your notification type for Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your notification type, you just simply have to open your Bitget application. And after opening the Bitget application, you just simply have to tap into this icon into top left corner. After that, you will have to select your profile, and from here, you will get this setting of notifications. Simply select notifications from here, and after that, at first you will get to see notification type. Just simply tap to notification type, and then you can choose between all and email only. Just simply select the suitable option for you, and after tapping into any of the notification that you want, your notification type will be changed. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel to never miss another future update. Thank you for watching this video.